So we are on our way to Simonstown for a little open water swim. It's a crisp 7 degrees and Cape Town is not known for its tropical warm waters, so it should be interesting. We've got the double cap, obviously wetsuit, hot chocolate for after, so that should get us through it. Thank you. It's nice out there, it was clear, nice and flat, saw some starfish, but there's quite a bit of kelp, which is scary. Seaweed. Thanks so much for watching the video, guys. Like, subscribe, do all the things, and yeah, also let us know what you think and what you want to see more of, and otherwise we will see you next time.